Hey, what's up everybody, and welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns.
Yeah, Don's Lawns is the best.
So with Memorial Day coming and going, and the beginning of summer about to start, the Bermudas had about 8 weeks to grow in, and I feel like that is sufficient enough for us to fix the playscape and do our annual safety check. So in today's video, we will be reinstalling the monkey bars. I'm going to put them at a little taller level so I don't hit my head every time I walk underneath them to mow. And then we're also going to go through and tighten up all the nuts and bolts, make sure everything's secured and fastened very strongly. And I'm going to do my best to install some hinges on to the slide because I want to be able to reel mow still, and I don't want to have to take the slide off every time I want to reel mow underneath it. So I'm going to do my best to put some hinges on the slide so I can lift it up, bungee it up here or some kind of way, and fasten it so I can reel mow underneath it. Super cool. So without any further ado, let's get to work. there you have it, guys. Today we fixed and reinstalled the monkey bars. We also installed the slide on a hinge, so now I can raise it up, tie it up to the playscape, and mow underneath it. And then we went around and did our annual safety check and tightened up all our big bolts and nuts and screws that hold the playscape together, keep it sturdy. And now, nothing left but to go play. Thanks for watching. As always, make sure you hit that like button, tap subscribe down below, and follow me on Instagram or Twitter at DonsLawns1. I'll see you in the next video. What do we say?
Best of luck in the lawn.
Best of luck in the lawn.
Welcome to another edition of Thunderdome!